Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube family and my lovely friends? I hope my all the sweet friends are good and healthy. So God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much friends for watching my previous videos and supporting me. Secondly friends, you can see in this video I am providing you gorgeous and trendy amazing multi nail art ideas for especially for girls. So please don't skip the video, watch this video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning and so unique and useful, easy to apply on your nails. I hope you all love these type of amazing stunning ideas for nails. So viewers, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of multi nail art ideas. I really hope that they will love this amazing collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors collection. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. You can apply these beautiful designs on your nails for more beautiful and gorgeous look. Thank you my lovely friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your nail art. So friends, if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay my lovely friends, see you soon. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz. Take care.